Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So this is a weird one. Now, I was planning on doing a different video entirely tonight, but I found that this took most of my night, and I didn't think it would. So I was at work, and we were prepping a floor for floor. We were vacuuming the corners, and I turned off the vacuum, and from outside, I heard I can get no satisfaction. What? But I was busy and I just was like, well, I'm going to go check that out when I get home. And I had this happen once before and it wasn't anything. And I came home, I checked the song, I found out I misheard it after turning the vacuum off from outside. But this time I found that in the second verse of I Can't Get No Satisfaction, which, by the way, after I learned about double negatives, was always a weird one for me to sing along with, so I know the song well. If you start in the second verse, they start saying, I can get no satisfaction. And what I'm saying is they're saying can get no satisfaction. And I've listened to that second verse multiple times. My fiance listened to it. We tried to say can and waited for a T to come behind it, and no T came behind it. Now, before that, it's iffy, but they kind of say can't. But even that, like, I remember it being so clear. Like, I can't get no. But now they go, I can get no. So now instead of stressing the can't, they're stressing get. And even the couple times that it sounds like they're saying can't, they're not doing it the way I remember it. It's a weird thing. Almost a completely different song. So you guys will have to check it out. And the weird thing is, when I'm looking for people covering it, I can't find anybody who's covering it who's not saying I can get no satisfaction. So I don't know. I mean, I don't even think it's worth putting the links up. Now, I've got the official lyric video, and it's Vivo, and it's saying can't. So that's, of course, what I'm listening for to begin with. And that's the way I remember the song. But that's not the way it is anymore, guys. Like I said, the first verse is kind of iffy. You can kind of hear him saying, I can't get no, but they're not doing can't, they're going can't. They're not, excuse me, they're not doing can't. They're doing can't. Like it's not stressed like it should be. It should have been a very big stress double negative, and it's not anymore. And after the first verse, when you get into the second verse, it's can all the way. I mean, except for like, I think they say can't a couple times in the refrain part. But it's weird, and you listen to it, and again, I'm not even gonna post those. I can. It's not wouldn't do me any good. I can't find anybody doing it the way I remember it. It's just I can get no and some of them people are even doing that in the first verse. So I'm wondering if the first verse isn't going to change too. But you guys will have to let me know what you think. The Rolling Stones can't. I can't get no satisfaction. The old double negative is no longer a double negative, at least through most of the song. So that's it. You guys can thumb me up if you're like me and you remember I can't get no satisfaction. And you can thumb me right down. And for you, it's always been I can get no satisfaction. And thanks, guys, for all your thumbs up and your thumbs down and comments, subscriptions, and all that business. We really appreciate it. I'm working on a couple of things, and research is going slow. I found myself busy till 9 o'clock at night last night when I finally got to come in home and in and eat. So I didn't get to do anything last night, and then this pretty much killed my night tonight trying to find I can't get no satisfaction. So I'll see what I can do. We'll see what we can do about getting some videos out. Been a little busy lately, so anyway, guys, that's it for now. And thanks for watching. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your night.